Hello students, welcome to StudyTable. In this video, we are going to show you how you can log in, access and update your student profile in StudyTable platform. Open any browser and type https://studytabletest.com. Now click login and click student login. Then you will come to this login page. Login with the credentials that you have received in your email ID. So after login, this is your profile section. And here you can see your registered coaching centers, and to update your profile, go to update profile. So in the update profile section, you will see all your details are here. And first of all, I will start by uploading your profile picture. If you want to change or upload your profile picture, choose file. Now select the photo and you can adjust the crop or you can place it. So I am letting it like this and crop and upload. Now if you want to change any of your details, suppose I want to change my locality. Suppose this will be PKP Road. Click update. Your profile has been updated successfully. To return back to the profile homepage, you can see here there is a back option, or from here go to profile and you are in your home page. So this is all how you can update your profile and log in into your account. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you can reset your password in StudyTable account. So to reset your password, from any browser, preferably Google Chrome, go to studytabletest.com. Type the URL studytabletest.com as it is being shown here. Now click login and click student login. Okay. In the student login, click forgot password. In the forgot password section, you will be prompted to enter your registered email ID. So enter the registered email ID. So I am entering mine. This is my registered email ID. This is the email ID that we have given during the registration process. If you try to enter any different email ID, so it will not work. And to confirm your email ID, contact your institute. So if you are getting that incorrect email ID or invalid email ID or email ID is not registered, contact your institute for the correct email ID. And one thing to remember, don't put any space in between the email ID. Okay. See, if we put a space, it shows enter a valid email address. So don't put a space in between the email ID. Okay. Now click send reset link. Now a reset link will be sent to your email, the registered email. Now go to your email. See, a password reset link has been sent to my email. Now click the email. There is an option of reset password. Click here. Now enter a new password. Enter a new password as per your choice and retype the password and click reset password. Okay, your password has been updated successfully, and to log in, enter your email and enter the password and you can log in with the new password that you have set. So this is how you set your new password in your account. And if you forget your password or if you are not able to log into your account, you can reset the password in that way. So thank you everyone. Hello students, in this video we are going to show you how you can give any exam that has been scheduled by your institute in StudyTable portal. So first go to the student login page and log in into your account. So after you logged into your account, then select the institute that has scheduled the exam. So click details. Suppose in my case Adamas Institute has scheduled my exam. So in the upcoming exam section, you will see the exam is there, the time is there, the date is there and the duration. So click the exam. So when you go to the exam page, you will see a timer is running. When it is the time to start the exam, this part will change to start exam. You see the page has been reloaded to start exam. So click start exam. Then you will see an instruction page. To go to the next question and save the answer, click the answer and click next. To skip the question, click skip. To submit the exam, click submit exam, and there is a question navigator to go to any question. So we'll start the exam and give you a demonstration. So suppose this is the first question and this is the question navigator. So you can select any question and go to that question. So you can see I have gone to question number 2. So currently suppose I am answering the question. Click the answer and click next. If you want to skip this question, press skip. And you see we are in question number 4 and it is being colored like this. And the answered question that we have answered question number 2 and this is showing in this color. And if you want to go to question number 1 or question number 2, you can press the number from question number section and you will lead to or that question. So after coming to question number 1, if I want to select the answer and press next. Suppose in this question you want to deselect the answer that you have selected. So press skip and the answer will be deselected. If you want to change the answer of any skipped or any answered question, just click the correct answer and click resubmit. So your timer is showing there and you can see your exam description is there. So we can see from the question number that question number 1, question number 3 and question number 4 is answered and question number 2 is not answered. If you want to submit the exam, you can click submit exam. So it will show a pop-up. If you click OK, then exam will be submitted. And if you don't click OK, then exam won't be submitted. You just need to press cancel. Now, when the time is up, there will be this kind of pop-up which will show just click OK, your time is up. You just click OK to submit your exam. Suppose I want to submit the exam, submit exam, click OK and the exam is submitted. So you will be notified when result is published by your institute or your teacher. So this is how you give an exam in study table test, and to come back to profile just click back to profile. So that's how you give an exam in study table portal. So after the result of the test is published, you can check your answer in your profile itself. Again go to that coaching institute. Then in the attempted exam, you will see your exam. So our exam was Science Exam 01. So click this exam and you can check your result. If your result has not been published by the institute, you will see this page. Once the result is published, you can come back again and check your result. And that's how you give your exam and check your result in study table portal. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how a student can join a class in study table portal. So after a student logs into his or her portal, in my institute section, select your institute and click details. Then there are 4 options: upcoming exam, attempted, study materials and class. Click class and you will get the list of class according to date. So select the desired class. Suppose I am selecting demo class, date is this, time is this and teacher is this. So click this icon, this blue icon, and this is how you join a class in study table portal. Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you can view study materials in study table portal. So first log into your account. Now click details of your desired institute. Then click study materials. So in the study materials section, you will see all the study materials that has been uploaded by the institute. So to view a study material, you can click the material and you can view the study material. Now to sort a study material, select the subject. Now select the chapter and click find. So this will sort all the study material based on this subject and this chapter. And to view a study material, just like the previous one, click the study material and you can view the study material in your profile. Thank you.